Very good morning to I am Pravesh Shah and working in Reliance Industries Limited as a head operation, Reliance Composite division at Vadodara. I really thankful to CECA and ATIRA and yes, Dr. Singh Saab and speakers who are giving a immense knowledge of composite industry and they touch upon the what are the quality issues we are facing in a pultrusion industry and some latest advancement in composite industry by external speakers like IIT professors and some of the external faculties from Germany and from Italy. So they very well explain about each and every process and advancement in pultrusion industry. Basically, they focus on how AI can help to reduce the different quality issue in pultrusion product and how with improvement in the some production. So once again, thankful to the CECA, ATIRA and people who are arranging this workshop, really helpful to us, and I also thankful to my management to given me an opportunity to attend this workshop. So thank you very much.